Hello there, it's Carl here from cleanmycurtains.ie. Just an introduction video for the website and what we do. Well, we operate a number of specialist cleaning businesses ranging from Clean My Curtains to Clean My Carpet to Clean My Floor to Clean My Rug and so on and so forth. We import and distribute the products that we use for cleaning, and we supply professional carpet and upholstery cleaners and small medium enterprise with the cleaning products that we use. What does that mean for you? It means for you that we know what we're doing, which is quite pertinent when it comes to curtain cleaning, because we have seen curtains shrink up to 15% off the floor, especially interlined, where basically bad practices have been used to clean the curtains. Now 15% on a wall this size means that the curtains are going to come up about a foot off the floor, which is disastrous and essentially is irreversible and will mean you will need to bin your curtains. So we don't do that. We guarantee we will not shrink curtains, be they made from silk, polyester, man-made, natural fibres such as cottons, even wools. We have seen curtains with a wool twist in them. Our method basically is we clean them in situ, on site, where they hang. We deal and isolate any stains that may be on the curtains before we then commence with either extraction or a low moisture clean. We can, on occasion, go very, very aggressive and use rinse extraction tools and fully rinse curtains through and leave them dry and ready for use in about essentially 15-20 minutes. But generally what we do is we thoroughly dry vac to remove dry soil, which is about 95% of what's going to be in the curtains, isolate spots and stains, and then low moisture, or again isolate and rinse extract with, again, top of the range machinery and specialist tools specifically designed for the job in hand. So that's it. Carl here from cleanmycurtains.ie. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any inquiries, be they domestic or commercial, we can handle both. Please don't hesitate to use the numbers or the emails on the website. Thank you for watching the video.